Hello guys, welcome back. It's Divan Isosoko, your favorite photographer. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to do frequency separation. So this is actually a photo I shot my model. So let's just get to it without wasting much time. So at first I'm just going to duplicate this layer to 3 places. So once I'm done with that, I'll select the layer 1, then hide the first one. So I'm just going to get to my filter and blur. I'll add a Gaussian blur to it. So this actually shows you how sharp you want your image to be after blending it. So I think 6 is okay. So I'm just going to hit okay. Then I'll come back to the upper layer, then open it again, then get to my image, then click on apply the image. So once I click apply image, this is actually what it's going to show. So I'm just going to get to my layer, then I'll match it with layer 1, then blending. I'll now set it to subtract. The scale is 2 and the offset is 128. So you can actually see the settings. So once I'm done with that, I'll just click OK. When I click the OK, I'll come back to my blending mode and I'll change it to linear light. So this is the upper layer, which is the skin texture. So I'm just going to name it as high, which is the high frequency layer. So the second one, I'll just name it the low, which is the low frequency layer. Once I'm done with that, I'll just group them by clicking Ctrl G. So once I'm done clicking, I'll just come to the high frequency. I normally like using, when I want to start brushing, I normally use the high frequency just to pick out the blemishes first before getting to brush the image. So I'm just going to pick the clump stamp, then I'll just pick on the blemishes and some other parts which I don't want it to show. So I'll just take this part off. I'll just take here off because I don't want it to show once I'm done with it. I don't want that part. I'll try blending the edge of this hair. So once I'm done picking that, I'll come back to the low layer and pick my mixer brush. Then I'll start brushing. So I'll just brush on it. This is actually a tutorial video, so you actually have to take time, so you won't mix the highlight and the shadow. So you just try making everything perfect. So you just paint it through here, and I'll be careful with these shadows. I don't want it off, so I'll just be careful. Try making the highlight polite, kind of. I'm just going to brush. If you're actually a learner, the highlight is actually the bright part and the shadows is actually part that is dark. So this is before and after. Just paint it. Just try blending. This is the before and after. So you can see this part, there is something here. So I'll just come back to the texture layer, then pick my clone stamp, take this off. Just take parts which I don't want off the image. So the secret I want to share with you guys is, after picking a blemishes, even you picked it at first or you brush the part at first, but once you're back picking any blemishes, you need to brush it after that. So after doing this, I'll still come and hit my low frequency, then pick my brush, then start painting through just try to blend it more. So once I'm done with the face, I'll just get to the neck part, then I'll start brushing. Just brush it and try to blend the colors and everything. So once I brush it, I'll now come and pick the brush, then I'll take off the blemishes at this part of it. I'll just pick the blemishes, then I'll take this off. I don't want it. Just come and pick. It's actually kind of much. Just to make it natural, I won't touch this area of it, so I'll just try and blend it without getting rid of that part. So you can see the before and after. So I'll get to this other part of it and I'll start painting it, brushing it. So once I'm done with that part, I'll come back to this other side, then I'll just paint it. Just brush it. So once I'm done with that, you can see the before and after. You can actually take your time while doing these steps, and please actually be careful with the highlights and the shadows so you won't get to spoil the image. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the notification buttons for more amazing videos and other tutorials. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.